So maintenance on the green harvester, I keep it nice and simple. I don't do a lot to it. One thing you want to do is after each use, I try to oil wherever there's moving parts, right, and along the blade. And that's just going to make it last a lot longer, right? Every time metal is on metal, right, or where there's a bearing, that just wears it, you know? It's just going to wear it out a lot quicker if you don't oil it. And you can use food grade stuff, right? You don't want to use something you use on your car engine. The blade. When this was a double blade, I would sharpen them because they were more expensive. But now that it's a single blade, they're very inexpensive. So I don't sharpen them. I just buy a new one. You know, they come off really easily just with a single pin, right? Then pull it out, and then there's one nut. And then you just replace the blade. Now, after every use, it gets washed, right? So as soon as we cut something, we bring it to the sink with a sprayer, and we spray the whole thing down, get all the greens out of it, and then spray right in here, right? You can even take the blade off if you want, right? Because a bunch of gunk will get in there, so you spray that off, get all of that out, and then just put some oil in it before you put it away. And I have a little box that I keep it in, right? You may hang it on the wall. For me, the box is good because then I can keep all the other junk. I have a kit, right? Just some extra parts. The oil. This has little holes in it, right? And then I'll just give it a few spins so that we can dry it off a little bit. But you don't want to be washing it with the battery in it. Just take the battery out so that you don't cut yourself. And then I make it so that it's big enough for the greens harvester, and then we keep it under our stainless steel table.